Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange CCCU Assembly, which is the last week of this half term. So we always say, si, vamos. So we know the Grange CC way: confidence for ourselves, consideration for everybody in the whole world around us. That's our philosophy for life. We want to be our best, and we want to make the world the best place that it can be. And last week I spoke about teamwork, and this week I'm saying teamwork again. We are stronger together. Teamwork makes the dream work. So when we help each other, when we share, when we work together, when we all try to make our school a brilliant place, our school becomes stronger. So everybody, if you're doing your part at Grange, you are doing Grange teamwork, you're making our school a stronger place. And you have one action that's really important. Get your mum and dad, get your carers, whoever looks after you, the adults who are with you, get them to sign up for the Great Grange online quiz night, 7 o'clock this Thursday night. You can sit on your sofa or sit on the floor, all the family together. You just need one device. Could be a mobile phone, could be a tablet, could be a computer, could be an iPad, and you get onto the quiz. Look, this is how you sign up. You go to letslocalize.co.uk. Look, Ms. Chorney signed up, our very own Ms. Chorney. Lots and lots of people have signed up. I think we've got almost 100 people signed up. If you don't know how to sign up, or if your adult is struggling, get them to phone the school office before 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And you've got until Thursday, 4 o'clock, to phone the office and ask for help. Or you could ask your teacher, anybody, but the most important thing is let's sign up for the quiz. Sign up for the quiz, sign up for the quiz, sign up for the quiz. Who were our CC stars of the week? Let's see, gold. Well done, Zara. Well done, Isabella. Well done, Sophia. Well done, Santos. Well done, Malak. Well done, Dario. Well done, Jasmine. Well done, Sophia D. Well done, Manal. Well done, Alidan. Well done, Shema. Well done, Elfie. Well done, Umika. Well done, Aftab. Well done, Grace. Well done, Lauren. Well done, Sophia. Well done, Safia. Well done, Elfie. You're in again. Elfie's in again. And well done, Timur. And well done, Taiba. And well done, Jassim. And well done, Sophia Y in the nursery. Look at all you gold people. I'm so proud of you, gold Grange pupils. In the Grange House of Water, look at all these people: Yusuf, Harris, Mortada, Zuhaib, Anais, and Jasmine. And flying in his grace and getting the swivel this week is Santosh with 54 points and Sophia O with 54 points. And the Grange House of Fire, Yoaz, Jamal, Sarah D, Edward, Lauren, Kayana, Timur, Alidan, Sophia Y, Taiba, flying in his Yocheved, Kavish, Malak, Chinea, and the swivel goes to Elias. And the Grange House of Air, we've got Murray, Glenna, David, Idris, Hala, Sophia, Manal, Shema, Krish, Jassim, flying in his Zara, Ashvi, Elfie, and the swivel this week goes to Isabella with 65 points. Grange House of Earth, Ilham, Umika, Partiv, Aftab, Sophia, Alia flying in, Dario flying in, Issam flying in, Sophia D flying in, and the swivel goes to Yusuf. So who was Mr. Kerbel's classy class? Olada Quino class. Look at you, 379 points. Bob Marley class, 460 points. But this week, the swivel goes to Alan Turing class with 686 points. We are so proud of you. We've had Freddie, we've had the reindeer. We're going to get ourselves some jungle pot plants for classy classes. We're going to be great. We're going to be Grange. Sign up for the quiz, sign up for the quiz, sign up for the quiz, and live your lives with confidence and consideration. Phone the office if you're adults. Don't know how to sign up for the quiz. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together, respect each other, achieve our potential, and sign up for the quiz. And be great, be Grange. See you on Thursday night. We'll all be having fun at 7 o'clock on our Grange quiz. If you don't know how to sign up for it, phone the office, phone a teacher, speak to somebody, but don't miss out. Thursday night. See you there, 7 o'clock. Be great, be Grange.